Here we are at the famous Alexandra Palace. This is in North London. There is a concert here later on tonight. Rudimental, Ramada, as we can see. Let's go and have a look. There we go. Wonderful building, full of history. Let's have a look. These are the various events that take place here. It's a beautiful building. Let's go and have a look. Look at this great building. I don't know how long this building's been here, but it's a great space. Lots of events take place here. International darts tournaments. There's an ice rink. Oh, look at that roof. Look at that roof. It's amazing. Beautiful, full of history, lots of history here. Very interesting place for children, students, anyone. This was where the BBC originally started their business. See all the old cameras? Look at that. Look at that. I remember these TVs when I was growing up. Look at that. Oh, look at all this history. For any students out there going college or uni, want to study British history or BBC history, this is an ideal place to start. What's on theatre? Creative learning, as we can see, all the various events that take place here. Let's take a walk. Let's go and take a little walk outside and see what this place has to show you. Look at this. Look at all that history. Look at that. Beautiful. Wonderful. Let's go and show you some of the sights. You can see a lot of London from this place because it's very high up on a hill. As I might have told you before, it's in North London, Muswell Hill to be precise. There's buses that come along here, I don't know which numbers. There's parking areas, there's cafes, there's bars.
How does it do this?
Look at this tower. Look at this tower. It's transmission tower, BBC. It's a beautiful building. Look, you're looking over London here. Look at this view. Sweeping views over London. Night time, you can see all the lights are on. That's another view. This beautiful building, steeped in history. Look, you can see if you want to take a tour of the palace, there's people up on the roof, as you can see. You can take a guided tour. There's a cost for it, obviously. I don't know what the cost is. BBC reception tower.
Because you call them metas.
Look, that's the Shard, way in the distance. That's in the city, way down in the city of London, the financial district. Look at this history. History. the three ladies whose pictures are here. Views over London, beautiful London. See the people up there on the roof doing their guided tour. Famously known as Ali Pali. Beautiful building. It's worth coming up here and spending a couple of hours, half a day. There's even a kiddies playground which you can bring the kids to. On a sunny day, it's beautiful. Thank you. Kids having a little party over there. I don't know, probably a little birthday party.
No, it's not a birthday.
Oh, what is it?
Proposal. Marry me.
Oh, I see. Oh, wonderful. This is a tour that you can take of Ali Pali. Look, rooftop adventure. I enjoy coming up here, especially on a summer's day, or especially at night time when you can see all these lights. Especially when they have a firework display at fireworks night, Guy Fawkes night, and I think they close it now for the New Year's fireworks celebrations, but it's beautiful at night time. Steeped in history. I remember coming here as a schoolboy. I used to come here with the school roller skating. The ice rink was a roller skating rink, and I loved it. Once a week, I look forward to it. There he goes. Look at him, look at him, look at him, look at him, look at him. Let's carry on walking. Let's have a read here of this. What does it say? Here's a bar. This is beautiful in the summer. I've been here many a time. Sit down, look. Have a pizza, a drink, a coffee. All these people are waiting for going to a concert tonight. I love Rudimental. They've got energy. Phoenix Bar and Pizza. Nice. Let's go. It's a nice jacket.
Yeah, enjoy yourself.
Nice look. Let's see what's on at Ali Pali. Show you. Variety of stuff that goes on here. Happy people. Happy people. Look, majestic parkland in North London, eh? Just one of the many beauties London has to offer for people who live here and especially for visitors. It's wonderful, it's a beautiful place to visit. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed that little snippet and I'll see you on the next one.